Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are back looking at the continental US with our thunderstorm outlooks. We're going to be looking at the next couple days, which could be either a little bit more on the severe side or a little bit on the lighter side. It's kind of a mixture of both, which is weird, but I'll explain myself here in a sec. So if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Now let's get right on into it. So the reason I say that this is a little bit of a non-threat and a severe threat is because we do have the ingredients for a severe threat. It just doesn't seem to be showing up on the models. We have some cold air in the Rockies. We have plenty of warm, moist air from the Gulf. It's all colliding in these areas of marginal risk, but we're not seeing much thunderstorm activity on the NAM. So you can see areas in marginal risk there, 292,320 square miles and 19.8 million people. That includes San Antonio, Austin, Memphis, Nashville, and Cincinnati. Tornado risks are very low, 2% in that eastern marginal risk. Wind percent is, I wouldn't call that high, I would call that pretty low, 5% in each of those marginal risks. Hail only in the western half there. Then you move on to day 3 with the categorical risk. Oop, let's go here. So we don't have any specifics yet, but you have a marginal risk in the Pacific Northwest. Then you have a marginal and slight risk in the Northeast. Slight risk covers 45,482 square miles and a population of 20.5 million people. That includes Philadelphia, Baltimore, DC, Richmond, and Arlington. And then you have your area of marginal risk, your two areas there, which covers 95,763 square miles and has a population of 21.8 million people. That includes New York City, Raleigh, Newark, New Jersey. Then you have Jersey City and Greensboro. So you have very similar populations. So a total of 42 million people under either marginal or slight risk for, this is Thursday into early morning Friday. So this is Thursday 8 a.m. Eastern to Friday 8 a.m. Eastern. That is when this is valid for. So we do have a risk to watch. Now, the NAM shows almost nothing today. You can see that you have a little bit of thunderstorm activity. It's just not prolonged, and it looks like very minor thunderstorms. And then this western risk seems like there's one little burst here, and that's your marginal risk. That's about it. Then we move into Thursday, where we have a little bit of some thunderstorms starting to move into the Northeast. I think this Northeast threat is probably going to be the most major threat. You have this line of thunderstorms here that kind of moves through. Now, in terms of the Pacific Northwest, I really don't see anything right now for that marginal risk. It seems very low chance, like maybe an isolated thunderstorm just pops up, but the main risk here is going to be in the Northeast, where you have all this updraft. Let's go to our mixed level cape here and just take a look at all the energy that this all has. So let's do that real quick. So throughout the day today, there's really not a lot of energy, but there's just enough for those little outbursts of a little bit of severe weather. And then all of that starts to move into the Northeast. Then you can see that's why you have that slight risk. You have some more energy in the Northeast. So a couple things to watch, but that's all I have for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.